I'm going to show you how I make a spoon or fork ring. In this case it'll be a fork. I have one that I messed up trying to make something, but this portion is still good and I can still use this to maybe make a pendant. So I'm going to take the top portion of the handle. This one is the William Rogers International Silver Jubilee pattern, so it is silver plated. And the first thing you want to do is cut it off. I'm going to use little bolt cutters for this. You can measure it if you want a specific size, but we're just going to take whatever we get here. So we'll save that for another project. And here is our handle. Next, we need to grind this off because it's really sharp. Okay, I've ground this down nice and smooth, and now we're gonna bend it into a ring using the arbor press. So I have this nylon shape here. It's gonna help me bend it more round. Just going to work this part slowly with little presses just so I don't break it, because sometimes that happens. There we go. So far. I'm going to kind of go to the middle and start bringing the ends together. Okay, that's as far as I can go with this setting. Nice and round, but we don't like that gap. I want to close that up. So I'm going to switch sides here. Go to a smaller pin so I can get that just a little smaller and close up that gap. Okay, that's closer. It's tucked up under that edge now, so it's not sticking out. Let's see. Oh, let's see, what size is this? That is about a 4.5, so that's a small one. Let's see. Okay, it still will need to go through the tumbler and get polished and a wax coating to help slow down the tarnishing process. But that is a fork ring.